Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you a new product we have here at the store. Now you may have an extension pole, whether it be a water-fed pole or some other kind of pole that has a Euro thread on the tip. Could be like a tip insert like this, or it could be a permanently fixed Euro thread, and you want to get it to an acme thread. In other words, an American acme thread, broom thread, that kind of thing. Maybe you have a third-party brush or something that has your standard thread, and your Euro thread's not going to work. So we do have an adapter now, which is a female Euro thread, also known sometimes as a German thread, to American acme thread. That way you can, like I said, screw this on one end onto your pole and then the other end into an acme type third-party product. We also have, in combination with this, a cone tip, which is great for using window cleaning tools, that you can just screw onto there. So now you can just screw this onto your Euro threaded tip pole, and then you'll have this cone tip, so you can put things like squeegees or scrubbers on top. Like that, it just pressure fits. And you may have noticed too that it has a dial on the side, so it does also act as an angle adapter, so you can just loosen that up, choose a particular angle that you need, and then tighten it back up. So attached to a pole, it would look something like this. This is a pole that has a permanently fixed Euro thread, but now I have this new adapter attached to it, so we can put on squeegees and scrubbers and whatnot, or any other third-party product. Another great use for this new adapter is for anyone who has an oval-shaped pole made by Ova 8. This one here is branded as Black Knight Rider pole, so it is an oval-shaped pole. It has a removable pole tip, but you see the problem here is that because of the shape of the pole, the tip has to also have the flat sides, which means it's not as compatible with a lot of the third-party trad tip adapters that you might see on other brands using rounded poles. So with this new adapter, you can still keep this Euro thread tip, even though it's got a weird shape going there, but it does have a Euro thread on the end, which means we can take our new adapter and we can screw that on. And there we go. Now we have this new adapter set up. We've got a water-fed pole. This is a 39-foot pole. We can easily stick on scrubbers and squeegees and go to work. So anyway, I hope you'll find this new product helpful. It's the Euro to Acme thread adapter. We have it sold as just the angle adapter by itself, or also with the trad cone tip. Anyway, thanks for watching.